In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to use templates Figma tutorial. We're going to walk through how to find great templates in Figma's community and start customizing them right away, so you can speed up your design workflow without reinventing the wheel. First, head over to the Figma page, either in your browser or the desktop app, and make sure you're in your account. Once you're in, look for the community section. You'll usually find it in the sidebar or the top navigation. Click it to open Figma's huge library of resources made by designers around the world. Inside community, you'll see a feed of files and templates ready to explore. This is where you can discover everything from UI kits and dashboard layouts to icon sets, design systems, and presentation decks. Take a moment to scroll and preview thumbnails to get a feel for what's available. If you have a specific goal, narrow things down by selecting categories. Categories help you filter by resource type and use case, so you're not sifting through unrelated content. This is especially helpful if you're looking for mobile components, web templates, or specific workflows like wireframing. You can also use the search bar at the top. Type in clear keywords like mobile UI kit, dashboard, or presentation. Combine a topic with the platform or style you need and check the results. Sorting and filters can further refine what you see so you find the best match faster. When something catches your eye, open it to learn more. You'll see a preview, a description, and often notes from the creator. This is a good place to confirm what's included, such as pages, components, variants, and styles. If the preview looks aligned with your project, go ahead and proceed. Click the highlighted result to view the full details page. From here, you can take a closer look at screenshots and any usage tips provided. Next, click Open in Figma. This will load the file into your workspace so you can start exploring the layers, pages, and components. Depending on the file, it may open as a draft or prompt you to add it to your workspace. Once it's open, you can edit the template. Swap text, replace images, customize colors and styles, and adjust components to your brand. Keep in mind that some templates are not free or may have restrictions. Always check the usage notes and licensing information on the file's page. A helpful practice is to keep an original copy untouched and work on a duplicated version, so you can always roll back if needed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.